How's it going, Thomas?
It's going pretty good.
Now, on this episode of Tommy Bird,
Thomas thinks he's God.
I am good. I really am. John still not say.
No, I'm God.
No,
and this is Jesus!
Yeah, by the way, that picture's kind of probably in every single episode for some freaking reason.
That has been an ongoing joke. Why are you making Jesus out to be a joke, Thomas?
How can you
Because
forsake me?
Jesus should be in everybody's lives, and this is my life.
How can you forsake me?
You
Damn,
know,
he smited you.
you know what? Smidgen you too.
Okay,
back to the point at hand.
All right, here's Thomas's
point.
Here's Thomas's attempt to prove that he's God. Now, he's going to take this ordinary glass of water.
Water. Look.
See, it is clear. Water. And he's going to turn it into tea.
I will turn this to tea. You guys might not believe me, but maybe it'll make you believe
Well, we know you
a
can do
little
the
bit
tea.
more.
We know you can do the tea trick. Let's see if we can turn it into Jack Daniels or something. No, Southern Comfort.
Okay.
Hold on. No.
All right, turn it into Southern Comfort, motherfucker.
1, 2, 3. That's Southern Comfort.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
You're going to have to attempt it again.
Hold up. It's still water.
It's still water, ladies.
Didn't work, Thomas. So, are you a sham or what?
He's a sham.
Oh no, I'm gonna turn it into
Alright,
lemon.
you gotta turn it into iced tea?
I'm gonna turn it to iced tea.
Okay, well maybe if you keep your grubby hands off of it, it might work this time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Now, is somebody going to try a sip?
I'll try.
See? I am very good. I'm good.
Yeah, we'll see, bitch. You try it.
I hate tea, but I'm going to try a little bit just to prove it's true. Oh, it smells like tea. Yeah, that's about right.
I am Jeebus. I mean God. I'm the
Jeebus.
son of a Bob. I mean,
Okay, what else can you do, Jeebus?
I can fly.
Alright, let's see this. I gotta see this. I gotta fucking see this. Let's see you fly, motherfucker.
Okay.
We'll fly.
I'll jump off this stairs and I will fly.
Alright.
Float like I'm weightless. Oh shit! For real, you guys. Oh,
Oh, come on, you can do better than that.
That's fucked up.
That's
you pushed Jesus?
Why did you shit?
Ow!
I didn't even see nothing, man. If you pushed it, that was good. Alright, try it again.
Fuck you, dude. I mean,
John, do not interfere. Do not interfere. Okay, Jeebus, let's see you fly.
Alright, this is for the drugs. You know, the good guy.
Let's see it.
My flight! Oh! Oh, I think I busted my leg.
Well, from here I can see the junction. And from what it looks like, Uncle Joe needs a shave.
Okay, should we try this again? Okay, John, this time stay shut up and do not touch him. Alright, let's fly.
Dude, I heard something crack that time.
Get off my leg!
Dude.
I ain't even heard that crack. Are you okay?
Oh. God is always okay!
Okay, well, you obviously can't fly. What else can you do?
Yes,
I can drink!
Yes, I am okay.
Okay. I think we need an ambulance.
Is your leg alright?
Yeah, dude.
He's like, yeah, dude. He's all like limp.
Hey, I can fix it.
You want me to take your mind off that pain, boy?
I have no pain.
Off the... No. You're gonna do that again.
Oh shit!
He flew, but he crashed.
Well, we know he's. It's like how much flight time does he have? About 12 seconds. He's got a lot of crash time though.
Fuck you. You turn a glass of water into tea.
Hey, maybe you need to get up on something higher.
Higher.
Oh shit! Here we go.
Like what?
I don't know. The roof, maybe?
That's too high.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
And we need light. What the fuck? Hold it. I need some light in here. Hold on. Move that fucking lamp thing. Are you serious?
Why not?
You can't be fucking serious.
On the blue mats. Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, shit! And this concludes.
God.
And this concludes another episode of Tommy Bird.